I need some help from the man who built it.
This is Danny from Dark Side Developments, who's responsible for this car. So let's open the bonnet and see what we've got going on. Whoa, it's like some kind of space station with all that gold insulation.
Yeah.
What you've done to this car exactly? I don't understand it.
So we've got a stage 2 turbo on there, bigger fuel pump, bigger injectors, intake, exhaust, the bigger intercooler, and then obviously the nitrous.
So it's a 3 litre twin turbo, straight 6 diesel under normal running conditions. It has 485, but as well as all those mods in the boot, we've got nitrous bottle. What does that boost the power to?
520.
It's a massive jump. Hopefully it's going to be enough. Never driven a car with nitrous before.
It's fast and furious.
This will be my first time experiencing what it's like to be Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel. Diesel, I saw what you did there.
What do you think is going to happen here, Sam? So I've got a diesel engine, but it's been tuned to 485 horsepower. And the kicker is it's got like 1,000 newton meters of torque. Your car's 200 kilos lighter. It's got a proper petrol M engine in it. Down on horsepower, down on torque. But, you know, you've got all the revs.
Down on torque, that's what you're saying. It's just down on torque, not double the amount of torque, you know? Is that what you're saying?
Okay, let's just do a sound check and like, we'll see what happens in the drag race. Let's not discuss it further. I'm feeling a bit embarrassed. That's good for a diesel. You won that. That sounds amazing. Obviously you've got an aftermarket exhaust on that.
And that's the kicker. I actually think if this didn't have an aftermarket exhaust, that might have sounded better.
Anyway, let's see how much extra horsepower that aftermarket exhaust has given your car. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Big delay.
This felt weird.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Oh my God, it's rolling coal. I don't know what bird that was, but I managed to avoid hitting it, but it seemed to have dropped its quarry.
Dropped its what?
Its quarry. It's like the nature term that they use, like David Attenborough would say that.
I have no idea what that means. Yeah, I didn't get a great launch. I haven't driven one of these in a while, and there's a bit of a delay. Secondly, you didn't mention, is that 4-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive?
4.
So recap, more horsepower, double the torque, 4-wheel drive. I want another go, because I'm off now, and I want to get the timing right just to see the difference, okay?
Absolutely. Do you want to know something? If you get this right, it's going to be close.
Yeah, I think it will be. There's a 15-second delay when you come off the brake on this, so I just need to time that.
What is this that it's got? Was not expecting this. Come and have a look what it was, Sam.
Are you telling me a bird dropped a frog?
It's technically a toad.
That's made me really sad. I love animals more than humans, and this just upsets me.
That's nature.
3, 2, 1.
That bit there's slow, and then it just comes on like it's limiting it.
Come on!
No, look at the coal that I'm rolling. Oh! Closer though.
Yeah, I launched pretty good there. There was a lot of wheel spin. We could argue the tyres, if they were hotter, we might do a bit quicker. I'm not beating that car as I sit here.
As you sit here, you are not.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the tuned diesel won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The F82 M4 took 12.4 seconds.
Are you ready to go on that? Go to the rolling gear?
Yeah, we'll do the rolling, yeah.
I'm just going to get the guys from Dark Side Developments to do something to the car just in case I need it. Can you open the taps?
Open the taps, yes.
Matt, we going comfort and all this, yeah?
Yeah, comfort. He's got something rattling about in the boot. Okay, cool. Let's lift this up. Right, okay. Just in case. 50 mile an hour, comfort mode, automatic mode to the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down pretty quickly.
Oh, come on!
Oh, it's close. Is he pulling me back?
Come on, M4!
You pulling me back? Oh, I think he's pulling me back. Hit the switch. Nitrous, come on! I did a job! That was mad, that was, Sam. Pretty close. I took off, then you started to reel me back in, but then at the top speeds, I guess it's just more horsepower from this, isn't it?
I guess so. I've got a feeling, though, when this is in manual, I think I'm just going to creep ahead of you.
Okay, let's do it. He might be right, so definitely what I'm going to do now is make sure that nitrous is on the full time during the next run.
Formal protest, what are you doing?
This thing keeps just rattling about in the boot. It's part of the tune. Right, rolling race, manual mode. Sport is setting. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Coming past now, don't comp the gear change. Come on, nitrous.
Oh my God!
Talk the talk. Well, Sam, your prediction was absolutely 100% bang on.
Formal protest, something's different. You went faster.
You went slower.
No, you went faster that time.
Let's do a brake test. You got to win the brake test.
I'm going to win the brake test.
Before the brake test, if you'd like to check out an amazing deal I found on a sporty BMW through CarWow, click on the pop-out banner up there, scan the QR code on screen now and find out what the car is and the saving. You can also follow the link in the description of this video. That's quite a substantial victory for you, Sam.
Finally, yes. That was a good win.
But I still won the drag races and the rolling races. So in this video, I am the victor.
The car is, you were just sitting there. I want another go and I want to level it a little bit. Just level the playing field just a touch, okay?
All right, whatever. But it's got to be a BMW M3 or M4. Nothing else.
Is there any other good car?
A few moments later.
Ah, so Sam, now you have a G82 M4, do you? Right.
This G82 BMW M4 has a 3-litre twin-turbocharged straight-six engine with 510 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. It sends power to the rear wheels only via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 1,725 kilograms and when it was new cost £82,000.
More power than me now. We're about the same weight. Still down on torque, but you think that's going to make a difference? Do you reckon you got me beat now?
I think this is going to beat you. I'd also like to open book, if you want to join me, to page 57 in drivetrains, and this is the rear-wheel drive option. Just putting it out there.
Okay, let's first of all hear your engine, because it's got the M Performance upgraded exhaust on it. It's all right, but that F80 with the aftermarket one sounded better, didn't it?
It sounded much better, and this is kind of a bit of a letdown because it's got the old flair of the old LFA Lexus, but none of the sound.
No idea what you're on about.
The exhausts at the back are the same kind of shape as the Lexus.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it doesn't sound as good, does it? Right, let's see if you're going to win this drag race. Good luck.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, stutter.
Go on, get on boost. That's it. We're off now. Once you're in the torque, you're okay. coming, it's coming, it's coming.
There it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
How do you find that?
I didn't prepare the boost quick enough, so I didn't have the best launch, but I won.
You won? I don't know that you did.
Without question, I won that.
Drone cam, who won?
It's very close, but I think you won, Matt.
Formal protest, I won that.
Formal protest, back at you. Everyone says that you didn't.
I would like a freeze frame, and I would like the comment section to decide that outcome, please.
That's not within your power.
So you reckon now you'll definitely win, yeah?
100% I'm going to win this.
I'm going to run with nitrous on.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, girl.
Come on, nitrous. You got a better launch?
There we are. Come on.
I think my nitrous bottle is out. Oh no, coming past.
What is going on?
Bye-bye. Loser.
Now, this is BS now. That was a mega launch. I was off the line before you and you sail away. You're doing something and I don't know what you're doing.
Let's say it's 2-0 to me. Do you want to do best 3 out of 5?
Don't, whatever thing you did, don't do it on the next one and I will agree to that race.
What happens is it sometimes like doesn't boost as well as it does on other times. It's a bit inconsistent, the boost on this.
Yeah, you were so full of shit. It's unbelievable.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's got me this time. Oh.
Come on, baby!
Ah. This car bogged, but you seem to have an amazing launch for rear-wheel drive. That was nuts.
This did launch really, really well.
Listen, rather than faffing about, let's just do one final run. Winner takes all.
Yeah, I'm up for that.
Let's engage nitrous. This will decide who is the better person.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Am I going to be the better person, or is he? Oh, it's going to be close. Come on, nitrous boy, he's coming back. Come on! Oh my God, I think Sam's going to be the better person. Oh, come on! That was such an awesome race.
I don't know who won that.
I think we're going to have to go to the photo finish to find out who is the better person.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the slow motion replay reveals that the G82 M4 won by the slimmest of margins, but both cars crossed the line in 11.9 seconds.
Rolling race, Sam. Manual mode for the gearbox, 50 mile an hour roll on. First to the half mile wins. You ready? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Absolute cretinous cheat.
This is absolutely flying. How did he win the drag race? That was bizarre.
Yeah, really bizarre.
Okay, go on then. Brake test from 100 miles an hour. You want to see another drag race with a bunch of M4s? Click on the pop-out button up there. Scan the QR code on the screen now. Stay here for the brake test. This is a bit all over the place. Okay, same story.
Yeah, I win.
But I think I won overall. This car's mad. It's amazing how quick it is.
Yeah, incredible. All right, Matt, just stay there 1 second. As someone in charge of the health and safety on these shoots, I'm not happy with things rolling around in your boot, so I'm going to have a quick look.
It's got it. It's secured it. It secured it.
Yeah, but I can't sign that off, so I want to see. You stand over there. It could be dangerous. Out you go.
There's nothing.
Go. What does that look like to you?
He likes diving.
Would you breathe nitrous in when you're diving, would you? If he likes to go diving, why is it plumbed into the car? Let me see inside your car.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a little switch that you've been playing with, because that's what it will be. What's that?
What's what?
What's what? What's the Fast and Furious button that seems to be in your center console? So what we've established, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Watson has cheated.
Okay, let's just do another run. Right. One last drag race.
Without that?
No, with nitrous, because
Right.
I don't think on that one drag race it was operating properly. Let's just do one more drag race.
So your cheat wasn't working
Enough.
So you'd like to cheat better this time?
Can I cheat more?
Yeah, we can cheat more. Fine, let's go cheat more.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, nitrous me, nitrous me.
That's a good launch.
Nitrous, good nitrous, good nitrous. Yes! Why? You need to purge the bottle. Do you know why it was close on the other race?
Go on.
I forgot to purge my bottle properly. Nitrous me, nitrous me.
You didn't purge your bottle properly. So what are you saying?
I won.
After purging your bottle properly.
So then what exactly happened? Well, when the nitro system worked perfectly, the tuned diesel won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds, which is a tenth quicker than before. The G82 M4 took 12 seconds.
Thanks to everyone who lent us these cars. A follow on Instagram to say thank you. Go check them out. Really appreciate it, everybody. Also, if you want to watch some other videos, then click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars' quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag race, just click on the CarWow logo to check out the CarWow Drag Race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when I promise not to cheat. It's just for the cameras, not really a cheat.